Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. We start with good news for motorists as gas prices are going down tomorrow. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will cost $2.94 less. The cost of automotive diesel will decline by $3, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will sell for $3.06 less. Kerosene is down $3.02. Propane will sell for $1.86 less, while the price for butane will go down by $1.92. In currency trading, the day ended today with the US dollar selling for $131.89. The Canadian dollar is now going for $98.63. It now costs $167.27 for the pound sterling, while the euro is selling for $150.23. The JSE index gained 2,811 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 4 points. Among today's winners, Everything Fresh, Paramount Trading, Jamaican Teas, Honeybun and Express Catering. Now on the losing side were SSL Venture Capital, General Accident Insurance Company, Sterling Investments, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, and Pulse Investments. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.